finally managed to order the right hydraulic lifters, but before I proceed assembling the rest of the valve train, I have to actually install, or at least at this point clean. So this is a volley pen, and what basically it does, it actually prevents oil from the engine from splashing on the oil intake, on the air intake, and also prevent a little bit of the heat from the engine block to be transmitted to the intake. If some people have the carburetor boiling, this is one of the things that can actually help preventing that. It's a component that actually you see missing in many of the engine builds online, but I was lucky enough that I actually have mine, so I'm gonna clean it today and leave it ready for the next steps of the build of this engine. The first thing that I want to try to do is literally just spray some oven cleaner on this and, well, some degreaser, hopefully easing out the amount of scrubbing that I'll have to do. Whenever you are cleaning any component that will go on a Ford engine, make sure to only use the sponges that are actually homologated by Ford, so you can be sure that you are making a proper cleaning. Okay? That's a very important step. This is kind of a patience game, because I don't want to press this part so much that I change its shape. I definitely could use probably a more aggressive Scotch Brite. I actually probably have something here that I'll pick up soon. But we are actually starting to get somewhere with the cleaning. The more loose oil is out of the part already, at least on the flat surfaces that I work the most so far. I've changed it to a light abrasive. This is actually a mesh. I believe this is for finishing drywall, but it does not clog as easy as just light sandpaper with the little old oil particles that are being left behind by the cleaning movement here. Really looking considerably better than before. I don't plan to make this into a mirror. This is a piece that will stay hidden, no one will ever see this, but I will know that it's clean, so that's what matters for me. The finished result, or at least as clean as I will make it. Again, this is a part that will be hidden underneath the intake of the engine. Might not look like an important step, but taking the time and having the attention to detail to do this kind of thing ensures that none of the original green that was inside of here would eventually be mixed with the new oil that I'm placing on this engine block. Anyway, ready for the next step.